Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. I hope you all are fine. Students, welcome to the science class. This is your science book, which is Science Fact File 1. Today we are going to start the exercise of chapter number 3 on the page number 46 on the textbook. The first question is multiple choice questions. The first one is most heat energy is lost from a house through the floor, roof, walls, windows. Dear students, you can see that heat loss from a house in cool climates, 25% heat loss from the house through the roof, 35% heat loss from a house through the walls, and 15% heat loss from the house through the draughts and floor, and 10% heat loss from a house through the windows. And the highest heat lost from the house through the walls, which is 35%. So the answer is walls, and it is the correct option. So mark the correct option. The second one is which of the following is a renewable energy resources? Liquefied petroleum gas, peat, uranium, and wind. Dear students, wind is a renewable energy resources, and it is a natural source to produce the energy, and the D option is correct, so mark the D option. The third one is a non-renewable energy resource is one that is continually being replaced. No. One that is produced by photosynthesis. No. One that will not run out. No. One that will one day run out. Yes, it is the correct option, and mark the answer D. The fourth one is which of the following energy resources does not depend on the photosynthesis? Alcohol, biomass, and coal are depend on the photosynthesis, but wind is not depend on the photosynthesis because it is a natural resource to produce the energy, so mark the option D. The last one is which of the following energy resources both burn to produce heat? The first option is biomass and gas. Second one is biomass and hydroelectric. Third one is geothermal and coal. And fourth one is geothermal and oil. The correct option is A, and these are the energy resources which burn to produce heat. Question number 2, which is true or false. Start here, you can see the 5 statement, and first of all we read this statement, and after this we mark the true or false according to the statement. The first one is the greenhouse effect is a good thing because it keeps the earth warm enough for the human life. Yes, carbon dioxide gas is act as an greenhouse effect which absorb the sunlight and keep the earth warm, which is useful for the human life. It is the true statement, and write the T. The second one is methane is released into the air every time a cow breathes, wind, or belches. Yes, it's true, so write the T for true. The third one is fossil fuels will last forever. No, it is wrong because fossil fuels will one day run out, so mark the F for false. The fourth one is renewable energy sources don't rely on fuels. Yes, it's true, and write the T for true. The fifth one is heat from the hot rocks below the earth's surface is called geothermal energy. Yes, we learned that heat from the hot rocks below the earth's surface is called geothermal energy, so write the T for true. The third question, first part, which of these materials are fuels? Brick, cardboard, copper pipe, paper, petrol, plastic bag, and tree branch. So the answer is cardboard, paper, petrol, and tree branch can be used as a fuel. The second one is fill in the blanks using the words provided below. Students, here you can see these 6 words, and using this word we fill in the blanks which is given below. So let's start. When fuel is ignited, the energy is used to break the bond holding the atoms in the fuel together. Once free, the atoms can react with oxygen to form new molecules. Energy is released when new bonds are made. Question number 5 on the page number 47 on the textbook. The question is, the diagram shows a coal powered power station releasing waste gases into the atmosphere. The first question is, name 2 gases other than carbon dioxide which may be released into the atmosphere when fossil fuels are burned in power stations. The answer is sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide are released into the atmosphere when fossil fuels are burned in the power stations. The second one is, explain how the release of these gases can harm the environment. The answer is, these gases dissolve in rainwater and form acids which fall as acid rain. Acid rain harms plants, trees, and stonework. The last one is, list some of the effects of the increased production of greenhouse gases by power stations. The answer is an increased production of greenhouse gases which lead to global warming, which will eventually cause ice caps to melt, sea levels to rise, weather patterns to change, more flooding in low-lying parts of the world, large deserts, more droughts, poor growth of crops, spread of disease, carrying insects that live in warm areas. Dear students, I hope you mark the correct answer carefully.